Successful people always using their time for necessary work or things, and unsuccessful people always using their time for unnecessary things or work. Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Tuhin Ahmed Suba in front of you. I hope you all are fit and fine. I'm also cool. Today I'm going to talk about time and responsibility. Time is one of the most important things in our life. Everyone gets 24 hours in a day, but the difference between successful and unsuccessful people. Successful people always using their time for necessary work or things, and unsuccessful people always using their time for unnecessary things or work. I believe in two things. Once time is gone, never comes back. And another thing is time is more important than money. Because if we lost our money, we can't earn it again. But if we passes any time, it's not possible to bring it back. And responsibility also are significant things in our life. Responsibility means understanding our duties and complete them properly. Responsibility teaches us discipline, honesty, and maturity. The responsible people always do their work with dedications and time or easily and with a plan, with a proper plan. And that's why most of the people trust a responsible person. There are a deep connection with time and responsibility. When a person becomes responsible, they automatically know about what their duties and what the meaning of time management. Good time management helps students to study regularly, workers finish their work properly, and people achieve their goals smoothly and successfully. In these modern days, many of people spending or wasting their time for unnecessary things like they're using mobile phone and social medias and unnecessary gossiping, outing, and other things. By doing that, they are losing their productivity and they lose the focus on responsibility. And this is too bad, and in the future maybe it will for them. Success doesn't depend on talent. Honesty and discipline and time management is the right way to success. If we value our time and become responsible in our daily life, we will be success and we will be achieve our goals easily and smoothly. So that's it about time and responsibility. Thank you very much for listening to me very patiently. See you another time.